Good day, John here. In this video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano kumuha at maglink ng Gcash Mastercard using your Gcash app. Bago natin simulan, siguraduhin lamang na kayo ay fully verified Gcash users bago mag-request. Kung wala pa, meron akong video dito sa itaas on how to register and get fully verified on Gcash. So, without further delay, let's get started. Open natin ang Gcash app. I-input natin yung ating napiling access. Face ID yung sa akin. Usually, mobile PIN yung karaniwang ginagamit. Once nasa home window na tayo, i-click lang ang View All, yung may 3 dots. Then, under View All, go to Others section. Then, select Cash Out. Then, click Deliver. Pwede rin Pick Up. Mas maganda to kasi i-deliver sa bahay nyo. Wala nang hassle. Next, let's fill up Gcash order form. Make sure you have sufficient balance bago mag-proceed. Now, let's continue filling up the recipient information and delivery information. Pagkatapos ma-fill lahat, click I accept the terms and conditions if you agree. Then, click Next button to continue. Tapos, confirm na natin yung payment. Review the details. If okay na, click Pay 215 pesos to proceed. Now, we have successfully paid. Click Proceed. So, expect natin yung card ma-deliver within 10 business days.
1 week later.
So, heto na. After 7 days na paghihintay, dumating na yung Gcash Mastercard natin. So ngayon, ililink na natin ito sa ating Gcash app. Let's go to Profile section. Then, click natin My Linked Accounts. Click Gcash Card. Tapos, click natin Link Physical Card. Now, enter authentication code sent to your Gcash registered mobile number. Then, click Submit. Enter your card's information. Last 4 digits of card lang ang ilalagay. Tapos, input your virtual account number sa likod. Then, pagkatapos, click Next to proceed. Now, our Gcash card is now linked. Magno-nominate na tayo ng card mobile PIN para magamit na natin ito, lalong-lalo na sa ATM machine. Please note na ang MPIN na ito ay iba sa Gcash app MPIN. Kung tapos na makapili, i-click lang ang Next to proceed. Now, our Gcash card is linked. Congratulations! Pwede na natin itong magamit in any stores and ATM machines worldwide. Thank you for watching. Sana ito'y nakatulong. Feel free to comment kung meron kayong mga katanungan. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. God bless.